So when a creditor furnishes negative information to your consumer report, they are prohibited by law. 15 U.S.C. 1681 S2A and S2B. A creditor cannot furnish information that is inaccurate or that it knows to be inaccurate. They are prohibited. So once you identify inaccuracies on your consumer report and you dispute with the consumer reporting agency and you also dispute with the creditor, right? If they continue to report this negative information on your consumer reports, then we're talking about an S2 violation. And you can use this violation to, one, go to arbitration, two, do small claims, or three, sue the heck out of whichever furnisher that's continuing to report the negative information on your credit. This letter below is going to help you tremendously with putting them on notice what is to come next.